Welcome to the Mind Game video. Recognize your relationship through a challenge of love. Consider the Love Daring Challenge from our perspective. Simple tips for playing the love quiz game. Love Dare test can lift your spirit can. What makes the Love Challenge quiz link for a lover so popular? Daily fresh ways to look at love. Let's start your suspicious activity. Question number 1. Does your lover listen to the brain or heart? Option is A. Brain, B. Heart. Please answer in comments box. Next, question number 2. Does your lover truly love anyone? Option is A. Yes, B. No. Don't forget the answer in comments box. Next, question number 3. When did she go with her lover recently? Option is A. Cinema, B. Park, C. Hotel, D. Beach. Don't forget the answer in comments box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share my video. Next, question number 4. If your lover gets an opportunity for an adventurous journey, who would she prefer? Option is A. Family, B. Alone, C. Soulmate, D. Friends. Don't forget the answer in comments box. Next, question number 5. Does your lover like all photos of you? Option is A. Depends situation, B. Depends photos, C. Yes, D. No. Don't forget the answer in comments box. Next, question number 6. Which animal does your lover like? Option is A. Cat, B. Dog, C. Fish, D. Hamster. Don't forget the answer in comments box. Next question is number 7. What exercise does your lover like? Option is A. Dance, B. Swimming, C. Gym, D. Running. Don't forget the answer in comments box. Next, question number 8. What types of jokes does your lover love? Option is A. Don't like. B. Bed jokes. C. Any filmy jokes. D. Informative. Don't forget the answer. Next question is 9. Which is your lover's favorite color? Option is A. Green. B. Blue. C. Sky. D. Yellow. Please give answer in comments box. Next and last question number 10. What does your lover like to do in their free time? Option is A. Eating. B. Gamming. C. Chatting. D. Sleeping. Answer is please write comments box. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching the mind game video. Subscribe to my channel for more funny love dare quizzes. And hit the like button if you're ready to showcase your general knowledge prowess.